need to beauty school when you have Endeavor Slays? Queen, I've been practicing. This video's for you. Thank you. These are NK Brow Eye and Lip Liners from the Beauty Supply store in brown and black. I'm going to brush my eyebrows into place, placing dots for my outline, but the outline part of the video didn't save, so we're going to just carry on. Instead of using the brow pencil for the beginning of my eyebrows, I use my trusty brow microfilling pen by Benefit in deep brown. Now I'm brushing my brows to blend everything in. Cleaning my brows with my Mary Kay concealer color BM24. And blend. Top brow, same thing, just using color AK02. Flat brush, I was paying attention. Blend again. Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Can't live without this stuff. How did I do, sis? Out of all of the eyebrow tutorials I've watched, and I've watched a lot, yours got me right. Again, thank you, sis.